welcome to my channel. Alrighty, so this is my fridge. You know, we gotta use the top of the refrigerator. We have some waters up here. And then I have some pineapple, some kale, what are these? Some strawberries, spinach back here. I like cold apples. So I have some apples in there, some peaches. What are these? Radishes, radishes. Grape tomatoes. There's blackberries here. Some peas that I soaked but yet haven't cooked. What do we have here? Some cauliflower. My mom got me this water yesterday, sparkling water, strawberry watermelon. So thank you, Mama. Dominic's water because he loves his cold water. Sorry, did I say cold? Yeah, he likes his water cold. Is what I meant to say. What do we have back there? Oh man, the lid is fucked up. Oh, there you go. Oh shit. Like not fitting. Oh. Okay, not sure what is happening there. Maybe that's not the lid for that container. I have tomatoes, which we're gonna use today. Did I say cauliflower? We have some beans right here. Some mac and cheese. Oh, I can't even like move this shit around. So tight in here. Mac and cheese. But I used butternut squash. This guy's butternut squash. That was my first time trying it. And it actually wasn't bad at all. I just feel like it was a little bit too salty with the cheese. I think I added a little bit too much cheese. That's how it looks. So it's like a healthy version, you know. Some more pineapple. Ah, it's gonna fall. Okay, some more pineapple. This is the first one. Some nopales that my mom made. I have rice back there. And that pot, I know I haven't transferred it into a container. And then my mom made like caldo de pollo, some like chicken soup with veggies. Let me put this back up here. Okay, and then down here I have what, tortillas. This is kale and cauliflower. I have like cheese. Sorry. Sour cream. I got queso fresco, some yogurt in the back, some jalapenos, some rice, beans, some pancake mix I didn't use everything yesterday, and some milk. I got this almond milk, and then I also got this oat milk. I've only tried it with my smoothie, so I don't know exactly how it tastes. But I mean, the smoothie wasn't bad. I'm assuming it's good. And then I got more leches back there, more milk. My drawers are kind of messy. But we have like some tomatoes, onions, limes, red onions, more tomatoes, some peppers, and garlic. My mom got me some garlic. I couldn't find garlic. I was like, Mom, give me some garlic, please. Right here we have some Brussels sprouts. Salad, my mom's salad. Got carrots. What is this? Cilantro going bad. More onions down there. Some kind of other veggie down there. I think there's no lettuce too. Oh no, those are green beans. There's green beans. We have green beans. Yay. And then this very last drawer, we got some celery, got more apples, we got some lemons. I'm gonna use all of this. So, I think that's it in this drawer. I don't know, there's like kind of a mess going on. Oh! So we have more cheeses in there. Some 4-blend queso. This is the cheese I used for the mac and cheese. I don't think it was that good. My mom has some sausage right here. Some more eggs. huevos, got butter, some flax seeds, my bang drinks. You know, I gotta have these to stay up, even though I still knock the book out. And then what are these? Some like dressings, ketchup, barbecue sauce, mayo, eating some jelly. I just gave you guys a tour of my fridge. Let's see what's in my freezer. We got some frozen beans, tortillas in the back. Some veggies, Brussels sprouts, what is this? Shredded mashed potatoes, ice cubes, some McDonald's, a bottle of tequila. It's like one shot. Frozen waters, some queso. This is all meats. I froze some bananas. I have bread right here. Got more bread. I have some McDonald's and more bread. I got some frozen fruit back there, and then on the door we have some frozen veggies, some frozen blackberries, some more queso. This is meat. This really should go in here. Keeping my mom meats together, and that is my freezer. More queso over here. Wait, real quick, let me show you these ice cubes. This is like an old guy, so this away from. This guy is massive. Look at these ice cubes. They're huge. They're really cool, and then I like that it has like this little rubber on the bottom because it just like comes right up. See? How easy was that? With one hand too. I'm not touching it. I just want to show you that. Those are really cool. Anyway, these are kind of dirty though. Okay. Hey, so I got my tomatoes. I got two different kinds. I'm going to show you how to go about it, because with this with these guys you need to remove the seeds. So I'm gonna make the tomato sauce so you can have it ready for some pasta, some soup, or whatever you want to use it for. But I'm just gonna get tomato sauce ready for later on the days. I'm also going to make some pasta for lunch today. I'm going to add some, what are these, zucchini, some grape tomatoes, and of course some garlic. And I like this sauce, this classic alfredo sauce. And of course you're gonna need salt and some olive oil, but other than that, these are the main ingredients. Pretty easy, right? So for the pasta is pasta sauce, and then if you want to add some veggies and some garlic to add some flavor, and then also for the tomato sauce I'm just gonna add some garlic. I think I'm gonna add some onion too. Yeah, I'm gonna add onion to my tomato sauce. So fill the pot up with water.
I have ice.
Okay, pick it up and then you throw it in on the stove. We're gonna turn on the fire.
Did I put this?
No, we're gonna let the water boil, okay? And then we're gonna throw in the tomatoes to make the tomato sauce. In the meantime, Dominic is grabbing the ice.
The big one.
The ice cubes, and putting it in a container over here, because what we're going to do is we're gonna
put tomato in the hot water.
We're gonna throw it in there for,
because like you know you have to peel the tomato. Well,
yeah, so it's a process that we do that makes it a little bit faster, because there's quite a few tomatoes that we're dealing with. So we're gonna boil it first for 1 minute, and then we're gonna throw it in a ice bath. So he's gonna throw the ice cubes in there with some water. We're gonna have it ready, so when the tomatoes are ready, we're just gonna throw them in there. Alright, so he filled up the tray with water. So now you're gonna throw in the ice cubes. And then I couldn't find a deeper container, so we're just gonna do that. Come on, baby, don't
do you need more ice? Okay.
Yes. The dogs are crying in the background because I locked them up for now.
Like the whole thing?
Yeah, that's fine. We can make one.
Alright. One more.
Hey, wait.
What?
So this thing has rubber, so you can just like lift it up, or just like press on it. and then it falls out.
That's for no reason.
Cool, so we got that ready. So now we're gonna cut the tomato so it can be easy to peel. So I'm gonna show you how to cut the tomato so it can be easier to peel. So what you're gonna do pretty much is just draw like a plus sign. So we're gonna go from the top, there you go, top to bottom, and then we're gonna do it across as well.
Yeah, don't like cut it like.
Okay, I don't like this knife. Let me grab another one.
Why? We just pay for that.
Okay, so as so. Can you see?
Yeah.
Cool, so that one's ready. We're gonna do that to all of them. Oh yeah, this is a way better knife.
Yeah. So here it's like right there. You just cut that. Don't cut it like all the way. Or
Yeah,
ten.
just a small little.
Yeah, if you
X.
do it like all the way, it's not gonna work.
Oh yeah, we're gonna grab more. I want to make a lot, so I won't have to worry about making more later. So I'm going to freeze some sauce so it can just be ready. I'm gonna leave some in the fridge and then the rest I'm gonna throw in the freezer. Be careful! Don't cut your hand.
That was a little time ago.
Done! Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to, a quick way to peel the,
Onion.
no, this is garlic.
Oh,
So we're gonna
onion.
grab like a wider knife, and just we're gonna smash it. Maybe, there you go.
But it's not like
So
how do you
smash
get?
it and it's just a lot faster.
That's been struggling. Some onion. Oh. I brought some onions.
Thank you. I like this knife. So I'm gonna cut them. And then it also depends how you want to cut. I like them minced.
I like them big.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh. Don't cut your fingers and be careful. Alrighty, so I chopped up my garlic, my onion. This is for my pasta.
Are you sure about
And then the water is starting to boil. So what we're gonna do now is grab the tomatoes and throw them in there. You grab one and you slowly put it in the water.
Oh, okay.
So
No, that's just
grab one and then like slowly dunk it in
I'm
there.
scared. I'm gonna burn my arm.
I'm gonna grab the rest of them.
Scared. I did it.
This is not the right spoon for this, but we're gonna grab a tomato. Dang it, this is kind of harder than I thought. And then we're gonna throw it in here. Splash. Grab another tomato. Okay, I can't really do this on camera, but you guys get the point, right? And I don't even have that much space, so I'm gonna have to do a little at a time. So once you grab them out of the water, you're just gonna peel back and voila, it is done. Oh no. Okay, so for these guys though, we have to cut them in half and then get rid of the seeds. I'm gonna throw it back in here. You have to do that for these guys. You want to get rid of the seeds. Why? I'm not sure, but I've seen this. Oops. cut it. Cut it. Get rid of the seeds. You're gonna do that to all of these guys. So I got my tomatoes peeled and I cut them in half. Now in this pot, I rinsed out the water and I'm going to add some olive oil. Pour some in. That's good. Can you close it?
Where's the cap? Oh.
Okay, now that my oil is hot, I'm gonna add the garlic and then the onion. Actually, I think I'm gonna add the garlic first. Careful. Okay, so next I'm gonna throw in the onion. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more oil. Mmm, do you smell the garlic?
Yeah, that sounds bad.
What? You don't
Yes,
like garlic?
I don't like garlic. Travis. No, she's putting the onions. Onion.
I did it the wrong way. It should always be like away from your body like that. So just bringing it down at an angle so like it can all cook. So I'm gonna grab my tomatoes and I'm gonna throw them in there. Ah.
Nice.
They're a little bit hard still, so yeah, just let it. Whoa!
Do you hear
All
that
that
noise?
juice.
You hear that noisy? Ugh, sounds so satisfying.
Satisfying?
Yeah.
Oh no, I forgot to peel this one.
Oh no!
Oh wait, no, it's through the top.
Oh,
Oh, just kidding.
I forgot to.
Cool, so we're just gonna let it cook for a little bit now. Leave it there for like maybe some 20-25 minutes. So in the meantime, while that's cooking, we're gonna make our pasta. So now we're gonna chop up the garlic for the pasta. Are you hungry now?
No.
No, it's not hot. It's going to be. So we're gonna throw that in the stove. Turn it on. Fire! Oh, boo, I turned on the wrong one.
Fire!
There it goes. And then we're gonna add salt. Like a lot. Like we wanted to taste it like the ocean. Dun, 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 dun.
Made salt.
So once it comes to a boil, we are going to add the pasta.
Oh no.
My pan. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna add some olive oil.
Try to make it spicy. Oh, I'm tired
Then
again.
my tomatoes. I'm gonna smash them some more. Just while the oil is warming up.
Ugh. Do you hear that noise?
Kind of.
Um,
Okay, they're still pretty hard, so don't rush the process, Claudia. Alrighty, how's my
Honey.
oil looking?
Bad.
I'm gonna add the garlic. Alright, so we got our garlic cooking. Some of them look a little bit burnt because they're just smaller pieces. So once that is good, once like they're toasted just a little bit, we're gonna throw in the squash. And our tomatoes as well.
Grape potato.
Grape tomatoes.
And just tomato.
Alrighty, and we're just gonna let it do its thing. We're gonna let it cook, you know?
Yeah. She's sleeping.
Alrighty, I forgot to add my seasoning, so we got some garlic salt over here, some more garlic, you know what I mean? Oh wait, I should do it like that one guy.
You eating struggle meal?
No. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of some lemon
And do the.
pepper.
I think I do like.
So now I'm just going to mix it around. Wait, this is not hard.
I'm doing the.
Whoa!
Oh!
Did you see that?
No.
Oh no, one fell.
Are you gonna clean it up? Wait, don't risk it. You can burn your
Got
hand.
it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Why are you so happy? Because
Saved. Saved it. Alrighty, and then the water is already boiling, so now I'm gonna add it. Dang, I don't think that's enough pasta.
Just for me, yeah. Just kidding.
And here comes another box.
Better not waste it this time. Just kidding.
Waste it.
Don't waste it. Better not put that too much.
I think I added either a third or like half.
Ooh.
Cool, so we're just gonna wait for it to get soft. Alrighty guys, we got our tomato sauce cooking. We got our zucchini or squash with some grape tomatoes going on. We got the pasta, whoa! We got the pasta cooking.
How you doing?
And then once that is how you want it, I want it a little bit more, I want it to cook a little bit more. Then I'm gonna add the soap. I'm gonna add this in here. Alrighty, so I kind of want this where I want it to be. And the pasta's ready. And this is coming together too. So now I'm gonna add the soap. Okay, so now it's time for the sauce.
Oh, that's different
I'm
color.
gonna grab a little bit of water and then shake it like a salt shaker.
Alright.
Just to get all of the alfredo sauce remaining.
Sauce water milk.
Look at that! So divine.
It's time to shine.
Time to shine.
Oh, I'm so old.
Look at this yumminess going on over
What's the
here.
yellow thing?
That's the oil.
Oh. Looks like
The
egg
olive
yolk.
oil.
It looks like egg yolk. Yolk.
I'm just gonna leave it for like 5 minutes so all the flavors can come
She mean 5 hours.
together.
Just kidding.
The pasta is ready. I'm gonna drain it. Okay.
Hi, guys.
Oh.
Hi, cowboy.
Finally, our sauce, tomato sauce, is ready. It's ready
smells
to
so
go.
ready.
So I'm gonna turn it off. Put the lid on.
Excuse me? No, bless you.
And also, my sauce is ready for my pasta. I'm so hungry. It's about to be 1 and I have not ate, and that's usually not me. I do have breakfast. I have my oops. So I'm gonna get my pasta, put some in my bowl. I'm really hungry, so I'm really gonna go ham.
You can eat the whole thing,
I might
right?
even serve myself twice.
The sauce and the
Yeah.
Hey, can you quiet over there?
And then you could top it with some crushed red peppers.
Yeah, my
I
favorite.
didn't add to it. You could also add it to the sauce, but since I'm gonna give my little one some, I didn't want to put some. You can top it with red flakes, some Parmesan queso.
Oh, that's a lot of cheese. I think. Now the final touch is the tomato.
Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna go in. Back up. This is so delicious. So easy, so fast, delicious.
Don't waste no money. Like,
Cheaper than at the restaurants for sure. And you could also make some garlic bread. I didn't, but you can grab like a slice of toast, add some butter.
I don't like garlic. Oh, yeah, like garlic.
Add some like garlic powder, or there's like garlic butter
What? Garlic?
or garlic spread.
Woo. Spicy, huh? You had the pepper, didn't you? Oh yeah, the food is hot.
It's hot.
Huh.
Alrighty, guys, that is it. So I made my pasta, my tomato sauce, super easy. If you do try this recipe, let me know in the comments below. Let me know how it went and how you liked it. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and
Subscribe.
subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much for watching. Peace. I forgot to say, so once the tomato sauce cools down, I'm going to add them in these plastic containers. If you're gonna freeze liquids, make sure you put it in plastic because water expands, and if you put it in glass, that can break. So put it in plastic. Now go subscribe. Peace.